Hello friends. Nowadays on social media platform you must be watching the reels and the videos related with the Ozempic babies #Monjaro babies. So you must be surprised. What is this Monjaro babies or Ozempic babies? So myself Dr. Kajal Mangokia, practicing gynecologist since more than 16 years at Orchid Hospital and IVF Center Surat. So today I'll be talking about what is exactly Ozempic, what is the mechanism of action, what are the side effects, what are the recommendations, especially being a gynecologist and a fertility specialist. I will be telling you about the recommendation and the guidelines if you are planning for the pregnancy. If you do not want to conceive while you are on Ozempic, what are the precautions you need to take and what are the side effects which you should be careful while taking Ozempic. So, Ozempic is a trade name. It contains semaglutide. So, what is semaglutide? Semaglutide is basically a GLA-1 receptor agonist and its mechanism of action is there on the gastric emptying. So, there are these receptors which are present on the stomach which delays the gastric emptying. So, whatever food we eat, there is a delay in the gastric emptying time. So, because of this, your stomach feels like you are full, you don't have those cravings and all that. And because of this, your calorie restriction is there, and in a way, it gives rise to a weight loss. So, weight loss is basically one of the side effect of semaglutide. The molecule is FDA approved in the year 2017, especially for type 2 diabetes. So, basically, if you are taking or you are advised to take semaglutide, so in India, it is not freely available, plus not over the counter, only it is available under strictly medical supervision. And if you are also planning to take the semaglutide or Ozempic for weight loss, then friend, my request come my advice is that if you want to take semaglutide, please consult your endocrinologist or the gastroenterologist, and strictly under supervision of the physician you should take the semaglutide. Now, what are the side effects of semaglutide? There are few common side effects such as nausea, vomiting, you feel bloated, stomach upset is there. But the very important and the crucial side effect, which is acute pancreatitis, which is really fatal to your life, it is dangerous. So that's why I am advising you, if you are taking semaglutide, please take it under medical supervision. So there are many patients who are coming up with their queries. For example, we have one patient from Canada and she has PCOD and she is like, ma'am, can I take semaglutide for my weight loss? So friends, it is very very important that you do not start semaglutide without any medical supervision, because as I told you about the complication, it is strictly prohibited that you don't start on your own. Plus, there are many recommendations. Suppose patient is trying to conceive, then what are the recommendation whether they should continue taking the semaglutide? So friends, it is big no. If you are going to plan for the pregnancy, then strictly you should stop semaglutide 2 months prior to planning for actively planning for the pregnancy. Or if you are undergoing any treatment, for example IUI or IVF, any fertility related treatment or medicine, so just try to avoid or do not consume semaglutide or injections 2 months prior to your planning for the pregnancy. Now the second question comes, ma'am, there are few patients who are taking semaglutide, they are taking birth control pills also, and then also they are getting surprise pregnancy. So now what could be the reason? So friends, there are two theories which are proposed for this phenomenon. One is that the semaglutide acts, as I said, on a GLA-1 receptor agonist, so it delays the gastric emptying. So a person who is taking oral contraceptive pills, the gastric emptying time is delayed, and because of this, the absorption of the drugs, the oral contraceptive pills which contains estrogen and progesterone, the hormonal absorption also gets delayed, and this could be one of the theory or reason why while the OC pills are not working and patients are coming with the surprise pregnancies. The second theory is that, as I told you, one of the patient of mine from Canada, she is having severe PCOS with obesity. So she was also planning to take the semaglutide for her weight loss. So what happens is, friends, when you are taking for weight loss, whenever there is a significant weight loss, your hormonal balance also starts, and because of the hormonal balance, the cycle becomes regular, ovulation also occurs on a timely interval, and this could be one of the theory that patients do get surprise pregnancy while they are taking semaglutide. So now the next question is that, suppose a patient is taking semaglutide and she wants to conceive. So what are the guidelines? So friends, the guideline says that if you are taking semaglutide and if you are not planning for the pregnancy, if you want to plan for the pregnancy, then it is advisable that you stop 2 months prior, because if you are taking semaglutide, if you conceive, the chances of miscarriage are also very high, and chances of congenital birth defect are also very high. These are not the human studies, but their studies are done on the animals. So these are the inference which says you should not conceive while you are taking semaglutide. So what is the next solution? Suppose you are taking semaglutide, you are not planning to conceive, but you are taking OC pills. So friends, if you are taking OC pills, it is a request that you should use some other mode of contraception, because your OC pills might not work and you might end up with the surprise pregnancy. So friends, this is my small trial for semaglutide. I thought that there are so many queries which are coming on my social media also, so many phone calls also related with the semaglutide. So my friends who are staying maybe in India also, out of India also, so I've just tried to convey the right message, the scientific message. If you have further queries, you can write down in the comment box. Thank you and goodbye.